Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a flawless makeup look on Masho's skin, and she is looking 70 years younger. Let's get right in to see how this was achieved. Meet my beautiful client, and today is her 70 years birthday and our 55 years marriage anniversary. I love clients who keep coming back for my service by the special grace of God. 5 years ago, I did her makeup for our 50 years marriage anniversary. Today is 55 years, so let's get in. First off, I use a new razor blade to shave her brows properly, and then I went in with a micellar cleansing water to clean her skin properly, and then I hydrate the skin using the Mario Bridal School setting mist. It's very important for you to hydrate your client's skin irrespective of the age type, whether young, whether middle age, whether old. Okay, it is important. Next off is me applying moisturizer, and this moisturizer msmetics is water based. I love how it glides into the skin easily. I love how it just hydrates the skin, and you can see that it's as if it made our skin look a bit brighter, just brought life back to the skin. That is one affordable moisturizer I think every makeup artist need. Okay, and next is this Nigerian brown primer, which is the V Beauty. I applied just a bit because you don't need to mattify mama's skin too much because of age. Whether you like it or not, nature have a way of dealing with all of us, so you don't need too much mattifying primer for any aged person when making them up. Pay attention to that. Okay, and then I went in with my foundation. Of course, I must mix 2 to 3 shades of foundation, and then I got a perfect tone and I blended. I started from the outer corner of her face, moving to the inner corner gradually. In real life, the thing no cash like this. So as I did this video now, I can't even like say the foundation cash, but for real life it did well. Please don't mind me. I think it's the lighting on this day. The lighting was not just it, but as we proceed, as I keep blending, and then I went in with the beauty blender, you can see that is now mashing properly. So it's important for you to blend with a damp beauty blender. Make sure you wet your beauty blender first. Do not use a dry beauty blender, okay? And this beauty blender is damp and is from the Y Glam Cosmetics. So I blended that properly, and when I was done with all of the blending, I went in with my concealer, and for concealer I mixed the Kevin O'Con in shade 08 and Nuban in shade 2.5. Yes, I mixed those two to get a perfect undertone of highlight. And I think you'll be wondering, why highlight for old woman? Is the makeup not too much? Is it not looking heavy? My dear, this is even the people that need highlighter contour more. Do you know why? We're trying to bring structure to their face. As you can see, this is like an artwork. I'm applying blush, and then I'm just going to blend that. I took blush from my lip palette, which is the Eye Magic, mixed it thoroughly, and then I applied that at the upper part of her cheekbone. Take a look at the side that I contour on the nose and on the zygomatic bone. Did you see how structure is gradually coming to her face? Because I know oftentimes people are like, why makeup old person? Is this makeup not so heavy? My dear, it's not heavy. It's called structure and underpainting. In makeup, you use color, you use makeup products to enhance someone's beauty. So in this video, I'm just showing you how to use makeup product to enhance any older mature skin to look younger than their age, and that's exactly what I'm just doing. Okay, you can see how that is all gradually coming down. So I'm editing this video. I think I'll reduce the brightness of the video because it's making it look as if it's loud, whereas in the real life not be so beautiful. Wow, I be go soon the off light they do makeup now, because be like all this light they add artificial light to the thing. Anyway guys, I miss you guys, and I want to say sorry I didn't post last Sunday because I was extremely busy. I was so busy I didn't even have time to edit this video, And right now I'm editing this video. This is just 5 a.m. by God's grace. I'm editing it. I want to schedule it. I want it to go up before I leave for service this morning. I miss you guys, my subscribers. I miss you guys so much. I always look forward to all your messages. Let me know in the comment section if you have any particular video in mind you want me to shoot, okay? And like I said, I have a Q&A coming up soon. If you're interested in that, also let me know. Ask me questions. I'm ready for you guys, okay? And then again, February 14 is around the corner, and it's usually my mom's birthday. So hopefully this time next Sunday I'll be dropping a video of my mother. If you want to see that video, let me know, because my Valentine February 14 lady. Anyway guys, I hope you're enjoying this flawless makeup on this Marshall skin. Okay, see how mama is looking on that 70, not older 70. She's looking younger 70. So I'm just using the Miracle setting powder to set the entire face, and you can see that right now if you're asked to point where I applied the blush and the contour, you can't really point because it all just fades in. Blending is key when it comes to achieving a flawless makeup. Blending is key. Make sure you blend till there are no ash line on the skin. Blend till everything is coming into place, okay? Don't just apply makeup and just leave it like that. No, learn to blend. And then I'm so proud of mama. She was calm, and that's how she's always calm all through her makeup section, anytime, any day. She closes her eyes, she follows instruction, and this makeup was one of my fastest, like one of the fastest I've done this year. I think it was about 45 minutes, 40 minutes or so, because mama was really calm, so making her up was very easier and less stressful. So you can see that I apply eyeshadow primer, and I had to place my thumb on the upper part of her eyelid, so that those areas where you have lines, wrinkles, because whether you like it or not, nature will deal with all of us. Where you have wrinkles there, I had to now blend gently. Aside blending gently, I had to use one of my fingers to just hold the top of her eyelid to avoid all those excess skin, and then I cannot blend. Now blending on Marshall's skin, you need to know that you'll be raising some part of the skin, okay? And that's normal. It's not a big deal. Just add it to your tip and practice it, and with time. See now on these other eyes, I had to raise the eyelid because those excess sagging skin is falling on the eyelid, and it's not going to make the eyeshadow fine. So I had to raise it up. This is one of the best tips and techniques and tricks when making up older mature skin, or people that have excess skin on the eyelid, even for those too that have hooded eyes, okay? And mama said she wanted plain eyes, that she don't want pigment on this year. She don't want pigment. I say, hey mama, no it be pigment. Mama say, I don't want shiny on my pikin. I beg, just do and make the eye just nude, matte. Say no put those shine to one and they put. I say, yes smart, your service smart, your girl loyal. You know, it was actually a beautiful section. You can see the eyes are closed. This is one of my really fastest work for the year so far. Truly, making her up, it was really easier, and that tells you that it's important for teamwork between a client and a makeup artist. Yeah, when a client is coordinating and following instruction, it's easier and faster. Mama just closed her eye. I said, mama, it's time for the brows. She said, na pencil I dey use. I said, no, I'm using brow gel. This one dey last past pencil. This one stays, and this one lasts longer. She said, okay. I said, thank you ma. As in, she didn't object to anything. She didn't hold any mirror. And at this point, I wish I could just play behind the scene, but if I do, I'm going to have a copyright, because from the start to the finish of this makeup, her husband was in the room and he was singing praises to her. He came to meet us in the hotel room, was singing praises to his wife. Oh my baby, oh my love, see fine woman, I'm blessed to have you. Hi, way papa just just they talk about this wife, eh? They praise the woman, and say now, wow, thank God say we don't marry, if not for say we go marry. Oh. See love. I say, Papa, I be like say you need to teach these days men how to love. It was actually a beautiful section though. I think I'll just put behind the scene by the corner of this video so you hear Papa's voice and you understand what I'm talking about. So one kill me with love. Oh. As I dey do lipstick, Papa say, abeg oh, put lip gloss oh, put that one wey dey shine, or put the one wey go just dull. I say God. See, at the end of this video, I will add behind the scene of what he sang to this his beautiful wife at the end of this video. Just make sure you watch to the end. Okay, so like Papa said, put lip gloss, put and make it shine. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, and then when I'm done with that, I'll now, at this point, remember to blend. Blending is key when it comes to achieving a flawless makeup look. I actually really love my job as a makeup artist because it makes me to experience certain things behind the scene. It makes me to meet different personality, good, bad, ugly, all the same. I love what I do, and I love the fact that I can make people smile with what I do, because the energy that you carry as a makeup artist is very important. What kind of energy do you carry to work? Is it a positive one or a negative one? You know, when you enter into any room, your client should be able to smile and say, I'm happy you are here, I've been sad, I know you will make me happy now. It's not just about makeup, you know. Make them feel comfortable. Make them to long for booking another section with you. Make them feel happy even when they are sad, things are not going the way it's supposed to go. Share them up and don't add to their issues. Okay, it's time to glow those cheeks. Okay, sure, you see how we just enhance Mama's beauty. She's looking younger than her age, so she's 70 younger, not 70 older. See how fresh she's looking. To think that initially the foundation was doing as if it was too bright. Makeup is blending. So those of you that are just learning makeup, learn to blend. Just blend till you get what you want. Don't just leave it like that. Time for my glowing spray, and we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed everything about this makeup look. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. I beg you, na free. Like this video, share this video, tell your family, friends, and your village people. Okay, I think it's time to play behind the scene of how Mama's husband was praising her from start to finish of the makeup section. So behind the scene of Mama's 70th birthday makeup process, her husband was in the room and he constantly showered her with love song, praises. Just listen to his voice.
Oh, beautiful! I love you, my darling. You look attractive. You look attractive. My daughter went to salon for beautification. She was to be a young girl. I want to be a big girl in town. Attractive. Hey.
Even one myself no great too.
Who's your guy? Now, who be your guy? Felix.
It was actually fun with these adorable lovers. Happy 55 years anniversary. Their section was interesting. I can't really upload some here. I don't want to get any copyright. If you have watched up till now, thank you for watching. I love you. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys. Mwah.